In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Doordash payment error. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the Doordash payment error, why it happens, and I'm gonna present various methods that you might want to try if you are having issues in order to finish a Doordash payment. So first, like I said previously, there may be various reasons on why this happens. So this is why in this video I'm gonna cover a lot of solutions that will help you alleviate this issue. One of the simplest ones is to go to your account page and in there access your payment methods. You will be able to find all the payment methods currently attributed to your account, and even though it's basic, all that you have to do here is relink any payment method. Besides double checking, for example, your PayPal email address or the credit or debit card information, what you have to do is tap on them, remove them from the saved payment methods, and then link them again. Like I said, it is basic, but by simply relinking any payment method that you have, it is going to give them the chance to be revalidated, and if they are verified, approved, you will be able to order anything through Doordash using them. So before trying anything else, just try relinking any payment methods and see if the order goes through. If it still doesn't go through, before you attempt the other stuff that I'm going to show you, look on Google to see if Doordash is under maintenance or if it is having problems in the servers. Sometimes if they are doing maintenance or their servers are down, unfortunately there is nothing that you can do on your end. If their servers are down, you just have to wait until they come back up, and then the service is going to start working again. So before going any further, go on Google, visit any communities, maybe on Twitter, Reddit, and see if Doordash is working properly for other people as well. If everything looks okay, the servers are up, the next thing to try is relogging into your account. So go back to the account tab, and from there you will have the option to log out and then log back in. If necessary, you can even reset your email, phone number, or password attributed to your account. Once again, this is the same idea as relinking a payment method. You are going to revalidate all of your information by relogging. Try again, and for the last step, if it still doesn't work and the order doesn't go through, try re-downloading the app. So uninstall the app completely from your device. You can find it on the storage settings for your Android or iOS device, and download it again from the Play Store or the App Store. Besides all of these options, unfortunately, there's nothing else that you can do on your end. The best course of action, if you are still blocked from making orders for whatever reason, is to talk to their customer support, and they are going to be able to help you in your specific issue. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Doordash payment error. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.